Alright guys, so we're back with another Julio Special video. Today we got these Koenig Special deep dish alloy wheels. I'm gonna be bringing back the shine, the polish on these. You guys could apply this. It doesn't have to be a deep dish rim. It could be any rim, alloy, whatever, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how to bring it back. A lot of times on these deep dish wheels, you get water that sits on the bottom, so it kind of etches in. So we're gonna be addressing some of that, polishing that out, just giving the wheel the shine that it deserves and just bring it back to life. So we're gonna be bringing back that mirror-like finish that you always like to see riding down the street. If you're using a machine, you're gonna get a lot of fling back. A lot of the residue is gonna fling back. You're gonna be breathing it in. It's always good to have a respirator mask as you do this process because you don't want to be breathing it in. I have done it before and you're gonna be blowing your nose. It's gonna be black coming out. It's nasty, so try to avoid it. Always wear a respirator when you do polishing like this. As you know, step one is always wash your wheel first. Get all the brake dust, all the grime, all that off the wheel before you actually start polishing. So that's already been done, and now I'm going into the wheel polishing. When the wheels are balanced, they usually stick like wheel weight on the rim, so this wheel is missing those, so I'm gonna be removing the glue that's left over from the weights before I actually start polishing, just so it's all out the way. So to do this, basically, you know, you get your glue gun, your adhesive remover. I'm gonna go ahead and use my glue gun, put it on there, let it sit for a little bit. As you let this sit, it kind of lifts up and it deteriorates the material. So, and then you go in, scrape it out, and boom, it's gone. Easy. But what I got right here is a plastic razor. The benefits of the plastic razor is that it'll get what you need gone without actually damaging the finish on the rim. It's very important to use materials that aren't gonna make the job harder or give you more work by damaging the surface that you're trying to revive. I am gonna go with the Scotch-Brite pad. I'm gonna kind of rub it, and by doing that, it kind of gives it like a smoother, sanded texture. So then when I do go to polish it, it kind of all brings it all together, brings it back. You see the shine. Depending on corrosion or the level of oxidation that the rim has, you could start with your super fine steel wool. This will also get it very fine. This is a little rougher than your steel wool, so I am gonna go with this because it's gonna break down a lot of the etching that I have from the water that's been sitting on the rim. See how that smooths it out. Alright, so this product is actually really good. It's a 2-in-1. This is kind of a deoxidizer. So you use this, you wipe it on the material, and it kind of just cleans it up and lifts it up. So we want to get the surface clean, we want to get it smooth, and then when you polish, you just see that mirror come to life. Remember being in school and you gotta go with the freshest kicks, you gotta make sure your kicks are clean every day. This is kind of what it is to a car, doing the polish. Right now, you're making your kicks fresh. You stepping out with some all-white Air Forces, some fresh joints, so can't step out with no dirty sneaks. This is what we're doing, making everything come together, the whole fit together, the whole car come together, everything come complete. If you guys got some rims that need to be polished, polish them, because you go out, you clean your car, but if the rims is looking crusty, dusty, car ain't all complete. So let's finish the whole thing, make all these cars look great. I love doing it. That's what we're doing here at the Patina, making every car look as good as possible. Any car that's on display, any car that goes out, we want it to look immaculate, like a fresh fit. Not a lot of people have deep dish chrome rims, so even if you don't have deep dish, even if you have just a regular chrome rim or whatever, you can apply the same method to that, you know what I'm saying? With this deoxidizer, basically it helps clean your aluminum. It breaks down any oxidation on it, it lifts it up and gets it ready for the actual polish process. So you use this step to deoxidize and prep the surface for polish. Then you go step 2, and this is the actual polish itself, purple metal polish. This is great, it works well. Definitely bring back that mirror finish that you're looking for on your alloy wheels. So now we're about to start the polishing process. We got the wheel prep. Let's see how good we can get it to look. As you see the wheels coming back to life, you see the mirror shine coming out of the oxidation that it had before. So we're gonna keep hitting it, keep going, and then you guys are gonna see the final result when we're all done. Let's go. As you see, we have a finished product of the aluminum alloy Koenig Special rims. You see a night and day finish. You got the mirror finish now. Before it was all hazy, you couldn't see no reflection or anything. Now you can look at it and see your reflection. So when you see the car rolling down the street, it's a complete look. It's clean, it's shiny, the wheels is shiny, everything about it just looks good. That's what we shoot for when you do a complete restore. You bring back the paint, bring back the wheels, interior, everything gets brought back to life, guys. So guys, if you guys need any tips, hit me up on my Instagram, in my DMs. I'm always answering questions, whatever, guys, any tips, whatever, just hit me up and I'll get back to you. And leave down in the comments any other questions you guys may have. Follow the processes that we go through. If you want to get your wheels, your paint, anything like that, just follow some of the steps that I give you and you guys will get your cars looking amazing. So all right, guys, so we got another one down. It's the Julio Special. Everybody like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.